for this painting time lapse. I'm working with oil on panel, painting realistic water droplets on glass with a blurry background and bokeh circles.
I keep it simple, I keep it true.
For the start, I sketched and mapped out the basic plan for the piece and then began to paint, initially starting off with blue tones.
I keep it easy, I keep it real. All the love I have is what you.
So this is where I'm at right now. Still have quite a bit of work to do, and I'm honestly so excited to just fill in all those details and really bring the picture to life. By the way, I'm currently painting during the apocalypse. The world is ending. It's kind of a nice vibe, you know. It adds to the picture, really. Those blues.
I make it collectible, I keep it true.
What really tied the piece together for me was getting to add the warm colors and painting the soft hazes around the bokeh.
I keep it easy, I keep it real.
My favorite part of the piece was tweaking the details and adding sparkles to the water droplets. Sometimes just the slightest change in tint makes the piece seem so much more alive to me.
I make it collectible.
And that is the final painting. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this painting. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and Tumblr for art updates and works in progress pictures. I hope you all have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!
I keep it